Imagine you're in a very high stake offline meeting. Every sentence counts, every details holds some weight. But you cannot just, pause in the middle of conversation to jot things down, right? It would be very unprofessional. It will also break the flows of the conversation. But by the time you're finally home and ready to write down your notes, those subtle details, they're all gone from your mind. Zillusion Capsule is a hardware plus software solution that helps you record every conversation that you go through day in and day out, no matter what the source is. It could be through Google Meet, Zoom, or it could be any of the offline meeting. The magic lies in the transcripts and the analysis of the communication that you will be having. So we do have a very detailed analysis available in the platform that goes through your conversation, that goes through your transcripts, and then it gives you very important critical details about the conversation. To visit the demo, all you have to do is just click on visit demo. You'll be taken to a new app where you can create your account and log in. Once you have logged in, you'll see one demo call that is already there for you, so that you can understand the features of the platform. If you want to record a audio, then you can just freely do so by just clicking on record audio button, and you will be taken to the recording screen. We also have a recording source application for Android and iOS available that you can use to record the audio quickly. After that, you can just visit the dashboard and see the transcripts as well as deep analysis of the call. We can turn on auto scroll as well and plays the audio as well as it automatically scrolls as well. Then comes the deep thinking mode. Deep thinking mode, it actually allows us to see all the different deeper analysis of the call. Let's say the strengths, the weaknesses, improvements, hidden intents for specific sections of the call. In future, we are also planning integration with the calendar. Let's suppose you have committed something to the person, right? Automatically, it will create a calendar event for the particular commitment. Also, very soon, we are planning on a wearable hardware. Also, one last thing, we do have a dark and light mode.
So hi, this is Ravish, and I worked on the tech side of Capsule. And how we do things is we have two clients, which is web and our Android app, and Android and iOS app to be precise. And then we are also planning hardware at some point. So we get the audio, we push it into a cloud storage, and then we process the audio through a third-party transcription service. And that service gives us a time-coded text data, and then we send this data to OpenAI with our custom prompt. And this data response there contains the deep insights, which is the core part of our product. And the deep insight mode will give you insight about like the things you did wrong in the call, how you can improve the call, and we also share a score which on different parameters, which is in how professional you were in the call and the clarity of thought and how precise you were in your conversations and things like that.
Hi, my name is Ananya, and I was in charge of the design aspects of the Zillusion capsule. Started by wireframing and understanding the user journey in the product. For example, if I'm in a sales call and I just ended it and I have the recording, then the first thing I would want to see is how my performance was and how I did in the call in terms of my responsiveness, in terms of my professionalism. So that was the first thing that I would want to see. And the next, I would want to see the summary and the gist of whatever happened in the call. So that would, in hierarchy wise, it would be the understanding of how I performed and then the summary. And then ideally, I would want to see the transcript and then reduce the deep thinking mode, which is about all the negative positive feedbacks on based on what I said or the user said on the call. It also tells you the improvements that you could have done, what you could have said better or done better, and it also tells you the hidden insights of the people who were having the conversation in that audio.